Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. ठंडी के मौसम में my go-to soul food is a garam plate of momos या dumplings. So today I am testing out viral dumpling hacks from Instagram Reels to check if they are a hit or a miss. Before starting the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at @HungerPlants and click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Our first recipe is spicy peanut dumpling ramen. मेरे को कब से ये try करना था. Finally मुहूर्त आया. So let's start with boiling some ramen, dumpling and bok choy. Bok choy actually मुझे मिला नहीं. So instead of that, I'm using spring onion greens. 5 minutes सिर्फ boil करना है इसको. You can use any dumplings you like. I'm using frozen dumplings from Prasuma Chef Solution Chicken Momos. ये 1 kg का packet आता है and I got 50% off on this. You can also order it from Swiggy and get a great deal. Now for the broth in the bowl, I added gochujang, peanut butter, coriander, garlic, chili flakes, sesame seeds, soy sauce, vinegar and lemon juice. Then I'm giving a tadka of super hot oil. That sizzling was very satisfying now. Now mix it well. All the measurements were mentioned in the video, so I followed that. इसके मैं सारे details and credits description box में डाल दूंगी. Also gochujang का homemade version है मेरे पास, तो वो भी recipe नीचे होगा. Now add hot water जिसमें हमने ramen को boil किया था. Mix it as well. Now add the boiled ramen. Mix it slightly with the broth. Then add the dumplings and then the spring onion greens. Okay, so I wasn't happy with the bowl, so I changed it and now it looks amazing. Top it up with chili oil. इसका भी recipe है channel पे, so do check it out. The aroma of this bowl is heavenly, so let's dig in. You can look at the consistency of the broth. It's perfect. Noodles are nice and chewy, but the highlight here are truly the dumplings. The taste is so good. It's very flavorful. First it's spicy, then it's tangy, then sweet, and then it's meaty. Absolutely love this combo. The momo itself is basic. It's just chicken filling, so the flavorful broth takes it to another level. Usually ramen का broth काफी thin होता है, so ramen अच्छे से coat नहीं कर पाता. Like, you know, the broth is dripping away, so the flavor goes in the broth and we end up eating just maida. But here peanut butter के वजह से मस्त thickness आया है and it is coating the ramen and the momo beautifully. So this is hands down the best ramen dumpling bowl I ever had. I'm going to make it very often. You also try it out. It's a 10 on 10 for me. Since the last soup testing video, I'm obsessed with making unique soups. And जब मैंने ये देखा, I knew I had to give it a try. It's creamy momo soup. For that, in a pan, add oil. Once it's hot, add onion and saute for a minute. Then add garlic and saute till it's golden. Then add butter and let it melt a bit. Then add maida. Saute till you get a nutty smell. Then add milk. मैंने 1:1:1 का रेशियो यूज किया, जैसे मैं यूजुअली व्हाइट सॉस बनाती हूँ वैसे. Mix it well. Then add cheese slice. Let it melt, then add 1 more cheese slice. By now the soup has thickened, so let's add water जितना चाहिए उतना to thin it down. For seasoning, I'm adding red chili powder, salt and black pepper powder. Mix it. Then add broccoli and grated carrot. Then add cheddar cheese cubes and mix till the cheese melts. Then add the dumplings. Mix it well and cook for more 5 minutes. And here your soup is ready. Serve it hot. Top it up with some chili oil. This one also looks beautiful, smells very tempting, so let's taste it. Wow, that is bomb. It's so good. I can eat it all now. It's very cheesy, very creamy, yet it's very balanced with the seasoning. Veggies are giving a nice crunch. The dumpling cuts through the richness of the cheese. I loved it, but there was a problem कि ये soup नहीं लग रहा मुझे. It's momo in white sauce topped with chili oil. It's very tasty, very very tasty. I would make this as a white sauce momo any day, but it's not a soup according to me, so I'm going to rate it 8 on 10. Next hack is very interesting and something I never saw. That is momo salad. है कि नहीं काफी interesting? So let's start with the dressing. In a bowl, I added ginger, garlic, soy sauce, vinegar, chili oil, sesame oil. Then I drizzled a bit of honey, mix and keep it aside. Now I'm cutting few cherry tomatoes in half. Then chop some coriander leaves. Then I'm going to cut some spring onion greens in batons like so. And जो spring onion का stem part है उसे मैं 1/2 cut करके रख रही हूँ. Now we have to cook the dumplings in a pan. And इसको अच्छे से sear करना है from all the sides until it's nice and golden brown. इतना beautiful crust है ये सारे dumplings पे. Now just add a dash of water. Cover the pan and let it steam for more 3 to 5 minutes. Open the pan and just take it out. Here all my ingredients are ready. Let's assemble this dumpling salad. That's a sentence I never imagined I'll ever say, but here we go. Add the dumpling in a big bowl. Then add the cherry tomatoes, coriander, spring onion, dressing and sesame seeds. Toss the salad. Let everything mix well. Serve it. I'm going to garnish it with some more sesame seeds. And just look at that. This one also looks beautiful. It actually looks like a plate of sauteed chicken wings for some reason. Anyways, let's taste it. Oh my god, that is surprisingly very very tasty. My mouth is literally salivating while I'm eating it. Obviously because it's very tangy, it's sour and then it's spicy. But वो जो थोड़ा सा honey डाला था, it balanced out the flavors very well. I'm loving the cherry tomato का pop of flavor and हल्का सा spiciness from the spring onions. I have not even eaten something like this before, so I'm very surprised that I can't stop eating it. Salad है तो healthy है ऐसा नहीं है. It's definitely not healthy at all, but I would make it very often. It's a unique dish for a party. सब guests एकदम surprise हो जाएंगे with the flavors. You should definitely try it out. I would rate it a 9 on 10. Our next hack is Emadachi Momo. मैंने Emadachi पहले already try किया है when it was trending because of Deepika Padukone. It was tasty but मेरा वाला इतना spicy हुआ था. So this time I'm going to remove the seeds from the green chilies जैसे वीडियो में बताया. Cut into pieces and keep it aside. Then in a pan brush some oil. Pan fry the momos. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Take it out and keep it aside. For the sauce, add oil in the same pan. Add the de-seeded green chilies. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cheese slice and a dash of milk. Let the cheese melt. Then add 1 more cheese slice and let it melt again. वीडियो में कोई सीजनिंग ऐड नहीं की है, so let's serve it as it is. I'm going to pour it over the momos. जब तक मैं सॉस पोर करने गई वो फट से सेट हो गया था and wasn't flowy like the video. जैसे तैसे I served it. Then I'm going to drizzle chili oil over it. आज के बाकी रेसिपी से ये काफी क्विक है but look wise it's very decent. Let's taste it. Okay, it's good. It's just dumpling with a lot of cheese and a hint of spice at the end. Nothing very unique. काफी basic लगा मुझे. I don't know why I preferred the spicy amadachi more. क्योंकि ये वाला ना मुझे काफी bland लग रहा है. Seasoning भी नहीं है. It definitely needed something to amp it up. I wouldn't try it again, or I would try it again with some seasonings. So for me, this one was a 6 on 10. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below Momo or a dumpling emoji to get a special shout out. Today's shout out goes to Cherry Cosmos, Rishika Sharma, and Nivedita Rathor. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Hunger Plants, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.